That's a shark.
Louis Bill, show us the fish! Everybody, kiss the fish! But wait, it's not just passengers, if truth be told. They are also crew members a little too bold.
Crew members, gorgeous, fresh meat, young and handsome. Nice little treat. I could teach them a thing or two.
Alright, let the sludging begin. Baby shark do stop.
It's fishy, man.
Oh, it's me, isn't it? Oh, please bear witness in this here court from now until your final port. Now that this fracas is complete, and thankfully you still have dry feet. No longer pollywogs will you be called, but shellbacks be ye by one and all. To our captain, passengers, and our crew,